Can you guess what time it is? It's unboxing time. I have another ThredUP DIY rescue box. This one is the fun box, so most of the stuff actually is new at tags. Usually 10 to 12 items. And I think it's like $28 plus tax and shipping. This one is from Suwanee, Georgia. It's pretty light. You know, most of the time there's going to be like socks or hosiery or something like that. But for all who don't know me, my name is Wendy. I am a part-time reseller. I am a full-time postal worker. Let's see what time it is. It's like about 6 p.m. here. I have been up for a really long time. I had to be at work at 4 a.m. this morning, so I'm about to go to bed. So this is like all day makeup. I actually had to put some concealer on because my allergies were so bad that it was so red around my eyes. I was like, oh, that is so scary. Not like this is any better, but whatever. I need to get these unboxings done, and I am set to work about 66 hours this week. So I got off at like 3 o'clock, so that's early for me. So anyways, Suwanee, Georgia, 10 to 12 items for the fun box. I did open it, but it's all wrapped up and the tag is still in there. So it tax, I believe, I don't remember, it's $30 something. I will put the price up there and the cost per item once I realize how many pieces I have. So sorry. Yeah. First thing I got are these reusable washable face masks, and my daughter will love these. So I think I'm going to put these in her stocking for Christmas because it is right around the corner. And then I got a new, well, I think it's new. Might have been used. It's just a little generic little wallet. It's cute though. My mother-in-law might like it actually. Hosiery, of course. These are Desiree leggings. They're like tights. They're brown. They are a size 42-44. I guess they're like European sizing. And there is a pink or fuchsia bra, new at tags. Waco. This is actually a pretty good brand. $65 bra. 40 triple D. If anybody is looking for a beautiful bra for a good deal, hit me up. It's pretty nice. And then of course I got some socks. These aren't anything special. Nadine West. Just some gray socks, blue toes. What's this? Stars Above. Looks like this might be a nightgown top, which might actually be good for my grandmother. She's always wanting more nightgown tops. She spills everything all over them. Oh, look. There's some bottoms too. Wonder if these will fit her. They are medium. New tags. These will probably be too long on her. She's like uber short. Oh, this is cute. It is a Jimmy Choo's perfumes bag. It feels good, almost like velvet. And then it's got like the snake skin deal. That's kind of cool. And then just a few more things. There is a pair of loose underwear in here. String bikini, size small. New tags. None of us are as small. And then one more thing. I feel like I got gypped in this box today. There might be two things in here, jewelry-wise. We got the two bandits. Oh, that's kind of pretty. It's an opal. I don't know if you can see the shimmer on there. It's very opal-y. Pretty. And then there's a ring. Maybe I can get it out. I don't want to tear it out of the box. Slide out. There we go. It is Touchstone Crystal by Swarovski. Ooh. Oop. Let's see. Oop. Oh, isn't that cute? It's a little crystal like comb. Little pin that you put on. That's adorable. That is so cute. I think that's worth like this whole box. That is so cute. My hands are so rough. I just like cracked my finger at work today. So anyways, yeah, that's adorable. So let me count these. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, although that should be like 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, and then the underwear, 11. So I did have 11 items. I'd say I was excited about this because, you know, this is Christmas gifts. The bra, and then the Swarovski little crystal little comb, hair comb. So I have to see what those go for. Super tiny, so I don't know. But anyways, I will put the cost of goods per item, and if you guys are interested in getting your own ThredUP rescue box or fun box, I will put the link below. They're not always live, so just check back every once in a while. I find that a lot of them go live about 10 in the morning Central Time. I don't know where you're at, but yeah, you guys check it out. And I do have some other unboxings that I have done. I've done designer boxes, rescue boxes. I've done got some just mixed boxes, women's apparel boxes. I have the runway retiree rescue box. Wow, that is such a tongue twister. Rent the runway retiree rescue box. Runway retiree rescue box. I don't know what it's called, but it's the Rent the Runway stuff that they have on the ThredUP website, that they are either maybe there's a flaw, or they're just taking all of those items, that style of items off of their website, since they're not really renting them out very often. I don't know, maybe the season's over, I have no clue, but I have that coming up as well. So you guys check it out and let me know in the comments below what boxes that you like to see the best, and I will see if I can snatch some more. So y'all have a great day. Bye.